wanted to come to you with a small public announcement this morning to all of my independent welders, all of my welders, fabricators, any of those who follow me and those who are building businesses, LLCs, getting themselves together to, to create a better future for themselves. Now is the time for ownership. We need to own whatever we touch. It's time to own. And if you can use someone else's money to get that ownership, then do it that way. If you got to use your work ethics to get that ownership, get it that way. If you have to work a job to get that ownership, get it that way. But it's time to own something. It's time to own brands, products, services that only you can provide. Get that part. Only you can provide. Everybody, love to coattail ride off someone else, but now you got to create your own thing, because if it's a lot of different brands going on around and everybody know of this one that's really killing the game, they're going to shop with that one. So it's time to get your brand game up. It's time to get your product and your services up. It's time to come up with something that's yours. If you got to start off with a t-shirt, hey, start off with a shirt. If you're starting off with a website.com, start off with that. Whatever it is that you need to do to have some ownership, to get that passive income flowing, get it flowing. Hold on.